September 25 UPI An attempt to launch a boat into a New York State canal ended in disaster when the RV pulling the trailer ended up in the water. Kurt Wananwich posted a series of photos to Facebook showing the RV submerged up to its windshield after ending up in the Erie Canal at the Monroe-Orleans County Line Road boat launch. Witnesses said the driver was attempting to launch a boat from the ramp when the RV rolled into the canal. The Brockport Fire Department and Monroe County Sheriff's Office responded to the scene and determined there were no injuries.